Alrighty, so we're going to do the rice experiment. We are going to boil some rice in that pot. This rice right here. And here goes our little jars. 2 of the same jars. 2 of the same lids. There was organic carrot food, baby food, that was used to make, what kind of cakes?
Carrot cake.
Carrot cake. And what I'm going to do is, these jars, I'm not going to probably videotape it because it's going to be a pain in the butt to videotape, but these jars I'm going to dip into the boiling water to sterilize them quickly, and the lids quickly. Maybe not the lids, because, well, maybe I should real quick with the lids because they have that rubber on it, and I don't want the rubber to really get in my pan. I'm hoping it gets steamed up here, and we're going to dump the rice in after that. So anyway, then we will put love and peace on one jar, and we will probably leave the other jar blank because we're not going to chastise harmless jar of rice. We're going to let it be neutral. So we're going to have the love and peace, and we're going to have the neutral. There'll be no hating on rice in this house or any type of food. So anyway, I'm not sure how this experiment will go. I don't really care. Just figure it's something fun to do.
Yeah, we're not looking for a result.
So anyway, so we cooked the rice in there, as you can see. Before I cooked the rice and the water was boiling, I boiled both of these little containers and dipped the little lids in quickly because I don't want to boil the rubber. So that's that. And the test will take place back here. We have peace and love, and we have fear and sad. I figure what I'm going to do is I'm going to place them on top of this. And on each the back of the jar, I'm going to put a little tape that has peace and love on the back of the jar, and fear and sad on the back of the jar. So I'll place them back there, and I'll tell the peace and love jar every day that I love it, and the fear and sad jar I will not say anything to. I won't treat it badly. I won't treat it like anything. I'm just going to let it be there and coexist, and if it wants to be fearful and sad, it can be, and if it wants to be cool, it can be. So there's no real, we're not looking for any type of outcome. We just want to do the experiment for ourselves to see if it works. And we will let you know.
Here we are. We're going to put
Alright, so what I'm going to do is put
rice.
Water in first. So I got 1, 2, 3. We'll do 3 over here. 1, 2, 3. So that's the rice jar. Let's get this one a little bit more. It looks like it's a little less full. Try to get them pretty even.
Are they supposed to have water?
Yeah, some do, some don't. Anyway, so here goes. I'm gonna try getting a spoonful of each. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we got a spoonful. 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 Bless you.
Bless
Spoonful.
A lot of rice came out of that little thing.
Let's see. They look pretty even. Yeah, they look pretty even. So I put a little more in this one here, and a little more in there. Let's just put it all in there, right? A little more here, a little more there. I feel like I'm on a cooking show. Alright, so there you have it. Pretty much the same amount. Now we'll bring it back. Actually, what I'm going to do is seal them up. Ready, we'll put the lids on tight. So the lid is on tight. Ugh, sticky too. So both lids are sealed. It's sticky because of the tape that was on it, like the jar stuff. Anyway, there you go. It's gross. There, so that's that. That stuff's really sticky and gross. That's the glue. Alright, so I'm going to dry them outside. Tighten it. See that sticky tape from the jar? Yikes. Alright. Tighten this one. So they're as tight as I can get. Come on back. So all the rice is at the bottom of the jars.
Yep.
This one has green right here, but it's part of the sticker that was on it.
Got it.
Other than that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that toward the back. We'll even give that to the peace and love one since it has supposed advantage. So we'll put this sticker right back here. Peace and love. It goes on the peace and love tray. And we have the fear and sad. Put that there. And put this back here. And there you have it. We'll wait 30 days or less and see what happens.
Okay.
Thank you. Alright, so here's the experiment we did, and it is June 21st. There is not much change in either. We had a green piece of tape that was there, but the rice looks cloudy, kind of brownish in the love and peace jar, and it looks exactly the same in the fear and sad jar. And that is the end of our test. So, no mold, no mold, no real change to the rice in either jar. Neither looks better nor worse. And that is the end. Thank you for tuning in.